MOLLY-Mae Hague has shared with fans a glimpse at remodeling work on her £4 million mansion, including her new £8,200 mirror. Last month, the 22-year-old and boxer boyfriend Tommy Fury revealed the happy news that they finally found their perfect pad. 5. MOLLY-Mae Hague splurged more than £8,000 on a mirror for her new home. Credit, Instagram. The Love Island star showed off the designer mirror, which was actually the second time she splashed out thousands for the same piece. Evoking an old Hollywood vibe, the metal mirror stands at 2.4 meters tall and weighs a whopping 25 stone, 165 kilograms. Originally priced at well over £10,000, the designer Timothy Oulton is having a sale, so it's likely MOLLY-Mae got the unique mirror at the reduced price of a little over £8,000. Showing fans its new home and her recently purchased mansion, MOLLY-Mae gushed about the mirror. "Are you really? Finally. Mine? Cloud," she wrote on her MOLLY-Mae's on Instagram account. Some of you will know the story behind this mirror. This is not the first time I have purchased it. Unfortunately, this dream mirror of mine never fitted through any of the stairwells/doors of the previous places we lived in, and for ages I refused to return it in the hopes we'd find our new house imminently. Too optimistic, and the mirror was returned. Finally, after repurchasing, it sits today in our new home. I smile every time I stare at it. MOLLY-Mae returned to her new home after spending Easter Sunday morning at the place she's renting with Tommy to check up on the remodeling. She was stunned to see how quickly work had sped along while she was away on a recent trip to Belfast. "I had prepared myself for the first few days of work while I was away to just be putting up dust sheets, no work to really be done. And am in literal shock at how much has been done," MOLLY-Mae exclaimed. The reality star also worried about jinxing herself because it gave her hope the home renovations would be completed sooner than she thought. "We're not in any rush, but I can't believe how much has changed," she said, before giving fans a rare glimpse of the house. MOLLY-Mae warned her fans that the house styling was her personal preference and did not want to be trolled for her choices. She then showed fans Tommy's wardrobe and dressing area, the master bedroom including where the fireplace would go, and the bathroom. "I just want to say the bathroom is changing for structural reasons. It's doubling in size," MOLLY-Mae said. She also explained anything they removed would be recycled or used in another part of the house and not just thrown in a skip. "I'm just in a really great mood," Molly said as she wrapped up the tour. It comes after Molly revealed that her £3.5 million mansion is not her forever home and has plans to move again. 5. The Timothy Oulton mirror is 2.4 meters tall and weighs 165 kgs. Credit, Instagram. 5. Molly is remodeling her dream home with Tommy Fury. Credit, Instagram. 5. She showed fans around the house, including plans to double the size of the bathroom. Credit, Instagram. 5. Molly also showed Tommy's wardrobe and getting ready area credit, Instagram. In a YouTube video she explained that she plans to live there for roughly 5 to 10 years. During a YouTube Q&A, Molly was asked by a fan if this would be her forever home. The Love Island star said she hopes to have her first baby and get engaged in her new home before investing in a second property. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.